Hi everyone! Welcome back again to another video. Yes, this is MJ. Not tomorrow, not yesterday, but today. So for today's video guys, ay hindi siya yung simpleng a day in my life as a teacher because today, magsa-celebrate yung school namin ng Y Crew Day. So ano yung Y Crew Day? So I will just put down here. Ayan. So Y Crew Day ay para siyang Teacher's Day. Yung translate ko siya, nag-research ako kung ano ba talaga yung Y Crew Day. Magganyan-ganyan sa'yo sa harapan and mag-give ng something flowers or yung parang pray or magbigay ng message yung teacher sa kanilang students. What I like about this culture ng Thailand ay yun nga, parang na-preserve talaga yung culture nila dito about yun nga, pag-respect ng teacher, paano magbigay ng respeto, ng paggalang sa teacher nila dito. Ayun, ipagkita ko sa inyo. And 3, 2, 1.
อยู่ในความสงบนะคะโอมะนาวใครโอมะนาวได้นานกว่าคนนั้นชนะมีละจะมีคนแพ้แล้วเนี่ยกำลังเข้าสู่พิธีศักดิ์สิทธิ์ต้องเงียบและสงบใจ
Hello everyone! So, sino yan nga? That's the Y Crew Day. Yes. Pwede ka. Ako nakapag-introduction kanina kasi, you know, we're so busy. Maraming mga ganaps. Ayan. So, I'm with the ultimate G.
Kumaka-ultimate mo.
And the warrior, Roxy. And the warrior. Warrior. Yes. Ayan. So, ako ay isang kuwan lang. Disney princess. Sure. Ayan. So, ano daw kami? Mag-lunch. So, dito na kami. Ayan. Y Crew Day pa rin. Ayan. Kita nyo yung mga ano dyan, mga shoes. Naka-arrange talaga yan. Diba? Very organized sila. Ay mga magsasayaw ng mga estudyante. Kasi kami, yung natas sa amin, kasi ako, nagtuturo ako ng K2. Yes! Mankan! The same! Yo. Alam na nila kung ano yung order ko. And then, of course, thank you so much. Ayan. Tawalayครับ
35 baht.
Tayo everyone. So, meron akong isang klase na lang for today. Magkano ang gasto mo sa kwan? Sa lunch mo?
So, 25, pila man na?
25 baht? Nakasali yung, syempre, yung pineapple.
Ba na kay rice?
25 din siya.
25.
Pero kani siya.
So, hindi naman yan siya necessary na may prutas talaga. So, 25 plus 15.
Pero pag di mo ipa-plastic, di mo ipabutan sa plastic, 20 lang man.
Pero pag sudan lang, 30 na.
Sudan alone mo rin.
Yung sa akin, 35.
Luba, ready? Hope, ready? Luba, ready? Okay, ready? And 3, 2, 1. I need 2 answers. 2 numbers. 3, 2, 1. Go! Write your answer. Write your answers. Write your answers. On game. First answer. 122. And 188. Diba? 92 and 188, correct? 122 and 188, correct!
เป็นเด็กดีของพ่อคุณแม่เป็นเด็กดีของคุณครูไปไหนก็มีแต่คนรักคนเอ็นดูนะคะห้ามทำตัวเกเรค่ะนะคะรุ่นใหญ่
So that's the end of our vlog for today, guys. Kapag may mga request kayong video, suggestions, just put down below sa comment box yung inyong gustong ipa-vlog sa atin dito sa Thailand. Ayan, so thank you so much and happy Y Crew Day sa mga teachers dito sa Thailand. Bye!